B is for butterfly. Butterflies make the world a lot more colorful. You can find butterflies in the garden because they love to eat nectar from flowers. Draw 2 circles for the eyes and a curved line on top for the top of the head. Draw the first part of the body by making a large oval, and then underneath that oval, draw a smaller one for the bottom part of the body. At the top of the head, draw 2 curved lines for the antenna. Right below the eyes, draw 2 big curved lines for the tops of the butterfly wings. Try to make these 2 curved lines about the same size. Underneath where you started those wings, draw a line going out from the middle of the body, and draw another one on the other side. We're going to connect those 2 lines to the top 2 lines with some curved lines. So create curved lines on the ends of the wings and connect those lines with a wavy line. When we draw this butterfly, we're going to focus on symmetry, which means one side looks just like the other side of our drawing. To make the second row of wings, create a line going down from the middle of the body and make an S line at the bottom. An S line is just a wavy line. From the bottom of your wavy line, continue the wavy line until it touches the other wings we just drew. We're going to draw the pattern on the wings. Follow the curved line at the top on each side. Then create a wavy line that looks just like the wavy line on the side of the wing. Do that on both sides. And also do that same thing on the bottom wings. Follow the wavy line to make a space. Inside of that space, we're going to create a pattern of circles. Create a row of circles inside that space. I'm trying to make this symmetrical. So every time I draw a circle on the left wing, I'm drawing the same circle on the right wing. Do you see a pattern in the wings too? I'm creating a pattern of curved lines in the wings. You can copy what I'm doing, or you can create your own pattern of lines in the wings. Just make sure you're being symmetrical about it and creating the same pattern on the right side and the left side. Now it's time to color. You can choose your own colors because butterflies can be any color of the rainbow or any combination of colors. I'm going to copy what the picture looks like and use blue and black. I noticed on the photo that some of the wings are darker and some of the wings are lighter. So I'm pressing harder where it looks like the wings are darker blue, and I'm pressing lighter where it looks like the wings would be a lighter blue. I also noticed on the picture that the circles are white. So I'm avoiding coloring in the circles by coloring very carefully with my black crayon. B is for bumblebee. Bumblebees are very important for nature. They pollinate the plants to give us beautiful flowers and fresh fruit and vegetables. You shouldn't be afraid of bumblebees. They won't sting you unless you try to hit them. To start our drawing, we're going to make a curved line for the head, but it's not exactly a circle, so squish that into an oval. There's a big circle for the body, and then a bigger circle for the other part of his body. Draw 2 antennae at the top, just like we did with the butterfly. These antennae are a little bit shorter. On the top of his body, you can add a leg. I made a zigzag line. I made a long line, a short line coming off of that, and then a shorter one for his foot. Bumblebees have 6 legs, so you're going to add the other 2 legs on the bottom part of his body. These legs are a little bit stronger, so you'll start with a triangle shape, then add a line off of it, and then another line for his foot, and then his back legs are the strongest. Create a short rectangle shape, draw a long rectangle shape off of that one, and then add a triangle for his foot. The wings start in the middle of the bumblebee's back. So in the top circle, create 2 teardrop shapes. I started with a line, then I curved it back toward the center. In the middle of the wings, draw a line, and then make a curve going back to the center of the body. And it looks like he has 2 sets of wings, one on top and one on bottom. Now we're ready to add color. I'm going to use only yellow and black. I'm going to use only yellow and black to color. Starting with the yellow, I'm going to color in a zigzag line to make it look like a very fuzzy bumblebee. Where do you see yellow on the photo? I see a line of yellow on the top of the bee, and then I see a line of yellow on the bottom part of his body. I see a little bit of yellow on the very bottom too. Now I'm working on the black. So everywhere you didn't color in yellow on the body, you can color in black. Try to use a zigzag line to make it look like a fuzzy bumblebee. Lastly, color in the head and the legs with the black crayon. And then when you color in the wings, you can use yellow. I outlined the wings with my black crayon, and then I colored in yellow to kind of smudge the black and yellow together to create kind of the honey color that you see on the photograph.